I used to lose sleep over rankings until I discovered the one dashboard that turned chaos into clarity. It felt like finding a lighthouse in a storm. For years, I chased keyword data in spreadsheets, hunted for backlinks in email inboxes, and stared at a handful of analytics tools that never quite spoke to each other. Each click felt like a gamble, each report a story that didn't end until the next quarter. I was tired of piecing together a puzzle that never fit. Then I decided to stop treating SEO like a scattershot experiment and start treating it like a data-driven sport. I needed a single source of truth, something that could read every corner of my site, watch my rankings, and flag any dip before it became a problem. That's when the idea of an SEO monitoring dashboard landed on my desk. It's not just a pretty chart or a list of rankings. It's a living, breathing system that watches your site around the clock. It pulls data from Google Search Console, Bing, Ahrefs, and even your own server logs. Then it normalizes it into one view that tells you where you're winning, where you're losing, and where you should act next. The magic is in the automation. I set up alerts for ranking drops, backlink losses, and crawl errors. I set thresholds for traffic changes. The dashboard doesn't just alert me, it recommends actions. If a page's load time is hurting its position, the system suggests a specific optimization. If a competitor steals a ranking position, the tool flags that content for a quick update. And because I'm a small business owner, I needed something that could grow with me. The dashboard lets me add new keywords, merge data from multiple sites, and even track local search results. I can dive into the details or step back and see the big picture in a single glance. That's actually how I found Distribb. Tools like Distribb made this a lot easier because they built an AI layer on top of the data, turning raw numbers into actionable insights without the need to be a data scientist. The result? My rankings stabilized, my traffic grew, and I finally felt in control. I no longer spend my nights staring at spreadsheets. I spend my days creating content that matters. If you're still juggling data silos, consider building or adopting an SEO monitoring dashboard. Treat your website as a machine, not a mystery. The right dashboard gives you the pulse of your site and the guidance to keep it healthy. And remember, data is only as useful as the actions you take.